Morning traders, it's Trades here. Let's see what we have in store for Friday, 13th of September today. Oh shit, it's Friday the 13th. Huh? So yeah, euro dollar. As I was predicting at the start of the week, right, we might come and fill this fair value gap on the weekly time frame, which we did, and we also did we test? No, we didn't test the 50% of that range, and found support, which is clearer on the daily time frame, with this strong bullish engulfing candle yesterday. Yeah, we came down to that weekly time frame fair value gap, rejected it, and found strong support that closed above this bearish fair value gap. So right now my prediction will be bullish, and the first level that price can get up to is obviously this swing high where there is a drawn liquidity. And for me, if we start to see pullback, I don't expect price to pull deep into this range for an entry. Even if we can get an entry at the start of this fair value gap, that would be pretty good. Yeah, I'd like to see price come down to this swing low, take out liquidity, and provide some kind of entry. But we could also just take out this swing low, hold this fair value gap on the 60-minute time frame, and find support today, and then push up to at least 1.1091. And that's my prediction for euro dollar today. I was bearish going into the day yesterday. I was expecting price to come up to these levels, find some kind of resistance. However, the way price has been approaching this weekly time frame value gap, with price failing to close below previous swings, forming a channel, I started to predict, look at the long-term bias, which on the weekly time frame is clearer. We are obviously in a bullish order flow, taking out these highs, so I was expecting a retracement. Maybe that retracement is over now, and we are going to continue back up to the buy side liquidity, at least retest these highs. So I'll just play it day by day. And if price comes up to this swing high before we get a retracement, pushes up, then it's a good level to look for a shorting opportunity, just a very short term, because there's a strong momentum coming up. So ideally I wouldn't want to take a deep short. And that's that for euro dollar. Let's have a look at pound dollar. With pound dollar, I was expecting a deeper retracement, maybe up to the weekly time frame fair value gaps low, the first low. But it looks like we have held the consequent encroachment of the first fair value gap and found some support yesterday. Now, I was bearish going into the week, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we got that bearish move, and then from Thursday we started to see the reversal. Price had come down to that consequent encroachment of weekly fair value gap, and also tapped into the consequent encroachment of this daily time frame fair value gap at this previous resistance level, and found some strong support. And since then it's been pushing up, and again, like euro dollar, I predict price to continue higher up. We've got this order block on the daily time frame that it looks like a potential next drawn liquidity. We've had some strong bullish momentum on the 240. We've come above this swing high, we've taken liquidity, we've closed above these fair value gaps on the 240 time frame. So similar to pound dollar, I anticipate some kind of a retracement. We might see that retracement before London Open, or during London Open, and during London we might see a push up. I'm not really sure, because we did come up to these equal highs, and we are currently testing that fair value gap on the 60-minute time frame. And on the 240 we've got fair value gap right here. We've got other two fair value gaps underneath, so multiple fair value gaps going on. On the 60-minute we've got this swing low, but it's so close to in premium that I wouldn't want to look for that swing low to be taken out. However, if this is going to be a bullish order flow continuing, then this could potentially just be a breakaway gap. So we might not see a pullback into the highs of this candle from highs of Wednesday and the close of yesterday. So yeah, I'm just going to watch and see how price plays out today, and that's pound dollar and euro dollar.